Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make green onion parsley cracker, and trust me, this one is so good. I have so many recipe for cracker biscuits, and this one is my favorite. Okay, so we're just going to add all the dry ingredients to a bowl. Paprika powder, corn starch, garlic powder, baking soda, yeast, salt, our flour. So I'll just mix that with my spatula to combine, and I'll set it aside. So this is the onion, spring onion. So we're going to be using the green part, and then our parsley, fresh parsley. So I'm just going to chop my green onion and then also do the same with the parsley. Now I'll just add my parsley and green onion into our dry ingredient, and then I'm just going to mix that together to combine. At this point, I'll go in my melted butter and then mix with my hands to form a nice crumb. Then I'll be adding my liquid milk. So this is whole milk. I'll just add that and then mix to form a nice dough. I'll leave this dough to rest for 5 minutes, and then I'll just transfer it to my work surface and then cut into piece that I can work with. So I'm just going to roll these with my rolling pin. Roll as thin as possible because it's crackers. You know, crackers are thin. Yes, to get that crispy outcome, your crackers need to be thin. So I'll just cut that with my crinkle cutter, cut the edges around so it's looking neat, and then I'm going to cut into the shape I want. So that's the size I want. Now you can see how thin that is. Yes, not tearing, but very thin. So that's how I want our crackers to be looking. So I'll just poke this with my fork. There's no special way of poking, just poke with your fork. Do your thing and then transfer to a lined baking tray. So I'll be using my baking mat. You can use baking paper, parchment paper. So transfer this to the tray and then bake in the oven till it's nice and crispy. So I baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. So you can check your oven to adjust temperature. These green onion crackers, they are my favorite of all the crackers. Crispy on the outside, so tasty, very flavorful. Like if you try making your biscuit at home, your crackers, you won't even buy store-bought biscuit anymore. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.